Looking to edit videos like a pro on your Windows 11 PC? In this tutorial, I'll show you the quickest and safest way to install CapCut in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. The easiest and most secure way to install CapCut is through the Microsoft Store. First, click on the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store and click on the app when it appears. This is Windows' official App Store, so you know you're getting the legitimate version. Once the Microsoft Store opens, you'll see a search bar at the top of the window. Click on the search bar, type CapCut and press Enter. CapCut will appear in the search results, recognizable by its distinctive black and white logo. Click on the CapCut app to open its details page. Before installing, take a moment to review the app information. Scroll down to review important details like the app rating and user reviews, system requirements to ensure your PC is compatible, and the app size and current version number. Make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements for smooth performance. When you're ready, click the blue Install or Get button. The download will start automatically, and you'll see a progress bar tracking the downloading status in real time. The installation time depends on your internet speed, but typically takes between 1 to 3 minutes. You can continue using your computer while it downloads in the background. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to say Open. You can either click Open directly from the Microsoft Store, or find CapCut by searching in your Start menu, or check your desktop if a shortcut was created. The app may take a moment to initialize and test your system environment for optimal performance. When prompted, simply click Confirm or Continue to proceed. After reviewing the terms and privacy policy, click Agree and Continue. You'll then see the main interface where you can create a new project or explore templates. And that's it! You now have CapCut installed and ready to use on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe for more Windows tips and software guides.